Feathers in birds can be generally categorized into the following main types. Contour feathers, also known as veined feathers, these cover the bird's body, providing protection and aiding in flight. Down feathers, these soft and fluffy feathers are usually found under contour feathers and provide excellent insulation. Semi-plumes, these feathers are intermediate between contour and down feathers, providing both insulation and some structure. Filiplumes, these are small, hair-like feathers with a long shaft and few barbs. They are usually associated with sensory functions. Bristles, these short, stiff feathers resemble hairs and are often located around the bird's head or mouth, possibly serving sensory or protective roles. Flight feathers, specialized for flight, primary feathers are found on the outer wing and secondary feathers on the inner wing. Tail feathers are located at the tail of birds. Their shape and structure can vary among bird species, with some birds sporting long, decorative tail feathers. Today, we will focus on observing contour feathers, which contain all feather structures. Are you familiar with the structure of a contour feather? A contour feather consists of the shaft, barbs, and base. The shaft is the central part that provides support and stability. The barbs are attached to the shaft and help trap air, allowing birds to generate lift during flight. The base connects the feather to the bird's body through the skin, providing support and anchoring. Let's use the microscope to observe chicken and peacock feathers. Chicken feathers are generally long, with a certain degree of softness and elasticity. Their color depends on the breed, ranging from white to black, brown, and red. Chicken feathers usually cover the bird's body, helping maintain body temperature and protecting the skin. Under the microscope, we can see that this chicken feather is slightly red, long, and slender, with a distinct shaft and barbs. Some barbs are spaced apart, while others are closely packed together. Peacock feathers are long and ornate, primarily blue-green with golden spots and eye-like patterns. Male peacocks have particularly long tail feathers that fan out in a distinctive display, while female peacock feathers are more subdued, typically brown and gray. Under the microscope, the peacock feather appears brown with a clear shaft and barbed structure. The barbs have beautiful patterns, with gold and blue highlights, making them very attractive. Do you know what feathers are for? Yes, feathers help birds fly, keep them warm in cold environments, and provide waterproofing to keep them dry. Additionally, feather colors and patterns can provide camouflage, helping birds avoid predators or attract mates. Finally, feathers can serve as a warning by making loud noises or displaying bright colors to deter other animals. Overall, feathers play a vital role in the lives of birds.